Hello guys, I'm again with you. It's been about 2 months I didn't upload any video. There are so many videos which I recorded on my travel to Thailand, and I've been already in Samui, Bangkok, and now I'm in Phuket. But I decided still to make a couple of videos, upload those now in my journey which I filmed before. I will upload for you later. So today I want to show you a gadget. I went to Banana IT and bought myself a portable speaker. It's amazing speaker, and I'll explain you why. By the way, this is my one-bedroom apartment which I have rented for 1 month. It's 41,000 baht for 1 month. It was a bit expensive for a busy season, but that's alright. It's a nice place. I already set it up. Beautiful view. Obviously you can't see anything because it's dark outside, but there is a beach over there, and it's a Kata Valley, so I'm in Kata. Well, let me show you the gadget. Obviously I bought it from Banana IT. Banana IT is a company which is quite popular in Thailand. I bought it in Villa Market, Phuket, and this is a speaker. You know, I'll tell you the price. It's only 1,900 baht, basically 2,000 baht, which is around 100 New Zealand dollars. But it's such a nice speaker. First of all, it's waterproof, and it's really like a rugged design. It's like plastic all everywhere here. Coming with a carabiner, coming with a rubber thing over here, you know, like quite soft. So like you can put it on your backpack, and when you travel and walk, you can listen to your music. The company name, model name is MIFA, MIFA or MIFA, I don't know. So it's only 3 buttons over here, which doesn't complicate the thing. And most importantly, you know, like the sound of the speaker is just amazing. Back to the Wild, Max Audio 4 Bluetooth. I don't know like if it's standard, but here the specs of the speaker, you can have a look. And I really want to test it for you. I want to show you how nice it sounds. So it was coming with 2 cables, with a AUX cable and with charging cable. So it's USB charging cable with like small USB Samsung type of port, and over here you have your plugs, which actually covered, so it's waterproof, and it's got like only 3 buttons. So by pressing and holding this one, you turn it on. Man, I bought it because it was so loud in a shop, in this Banana IT shop. Even the table was vibrating because of the bass. It's like such a small lightweight speaker. Have a look at the size of it. It was so loud. So basically it's coming with internal lithium battery. You charge it, and you can play music for 6 hours, they claim. Okay, let's check the sound. So now I connect it to a AUX for ease of use, and I'll put some music with a bass. Something, maybe this one. Okay guys, so the music is on. It automatically connects to the AUX, and you can play music from your Bluetooth, and you can answer the phone call as well. So it's a quite multi-task type of speaker. And I'll put the volume now, that you can appreciate it. Man, it sounds like a real big speaker. It's amazing. Check the sound. Even when you walk far away, you can clearly hear it. And AC is on. So I cannot play music for a long time because it's copyrighted, but this speaker is amazing. Honestly, I'm so happy that I bought it. You know, it's rigid, rugged, I don't know how to say, and very nice sound. I have no idea about this brand, but when I listened to it in a shop, I was amazed. So for 100 New Zealand dollars, which is about 70 US dollars, I believe this is like such a nice portable speaker. Anybody can enjoy it. Okay guys, hope you like this review. I'll try to update my YouTube channel more often. I'll try to upload videos more often as well. By the way, here's my DNA headphones. I bought them for $250. They're really like small beauty, you know. They sound so nice, you know. It's amazing how they sound. It's DNA Monster range. I already use them for 1 year, and well, I can't recommend any better. You know, they're stylish. They never slip out from your ear. If you put them in your ear, they're gonna stay there, and they're just such a nice headphones. Well guys, it was a bit of a catch information for you. I'll catch you later.